Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to look at this 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat. This is an amazing truck. What I love about it is it does have low miles at only 13,500. It does have the side steps, which are always nice to get in and out of the vehicle, as well as proximity entry, making it easy to get in and out in inclement weather. Now, this does have a hard folding tonneau cover, which is always nice, and it does have a ladder assist to help get in the vehicle. Easy as lifting it up, pushing it in, and you are ready to go. Now it does have the tow package, which is awesome because it does have the trailer brake. It has dual trailer braking in the front. Now out back here, this is a crew cab, so it does have a little extra room out back with plenty of room to charge, as well as heated rear seats. Now up front, this does have heated and ventilated front seats, as well as a panoramic sunroof, Bang & Olufsen stereo system, lane keep assist, blind spot, and adaptable pedals, which makes it easier to get comfortable in the seat, so it's for each person driving. I want to thank you for your time taking a look at this video. If there is anything that we can do for you, just feel free to give us a call or come into the showroom. As for me, my name is Jordan Rothrock. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.